Hi, this is Karen McKee. In this series of tutorials, I've been covering how to use the iMovie app for the iPad to create science videos. This is part 8. This is going to be the final part of this series, and in this one I'm going to show you how to view your finished product full screen, how to copy your project, and how to share your video with the world. So if you would like to take a look at your video full screen, what you want to do is click this button right here, and it's going to take you back to your original screen. And what you want to do is to click this button, and it's going to ask you whether you want to optimize your playback or not, and that's going to control the resolution, and for now we'll just say no. And what it's going to do is play your project full screen. Okay, I'm going to show you how to copy your iMovie project. Let's say you want to make a series of videos and you're going to retain some components throughout that series, and you don't want to have to redo those over and over and over again. So what you can do is make duplicate copies of your original and just add to it as you go through your series. So the way you copy your iMovie project is to go to your marquee screen, which is what I have showing right here, and you scroll through your projects and pick the one that you want to copy, and look down here at the bottom, and we're going to tap on this icon right here, the forward, and we're going to send this project to iTunes, the last item on the list here. And so now it's sending it to iTunes. And now it's telling us that the upload to iTunes is complete, and we'll click OK. And now we're going to go down to the download button and tap on that, and you see that the project is located right here, iMovie Tutorial 1, and if we tap on it, it is now going to download that project from iTunes back into iMovie, and it's going to open it up. And so now you have all of the components of that project, and you can modify it if you want to keep some of these clips or most of them and just add clips to it. This is a very easy way to create a series that is going to retain a number of consistent components. So now you have previewed your project, and if you're happy with it, then you're ready to save it or to share it to a public site. And to do that, you click this button, and you see a bunch of options that come up. You can save it to your camera roll, and you would probably want to do that first. This will record your movie project to your camera roll, and you can play it directly from that setting. You can also save it to iTunes down here, or you can publish it directly to YouTube. And let's select YouTube, and you'll notice you can scroll down and you can select whether your video is going to be private, unlisted, or public. And if you have not used YouTube before, you may not be aware that you can control who views your movie project. You can make it completely private. You can make it unlisted, which means that only people that you've given the link to can see it, or if you want everyone to see it, then you select the public option. You can also select the size that your movie is outputted to. You can select HD or some other size, and that's going to determine the resolution of it when people view it in YouTube, but it will also affect how long it takes to upload to YouTube. You then add all of the, you can add a title, description, and this is going to appear alongside your project in YouTube. And another point, if you're not familiar with YouTube, you will need an account, and this is my account, and so I'm already signed in, and so I can immediately upload this project to YouTube if I want to. And to do that, I would just click this button right here called Share, and it would start automatically uploading to YouTube. Well, this concludes my series of tutorials on how to use iMovie for the iPad to create science videos. I hope you found these instructions to be helpful and perhaps to have inspired you to use iMovie to document your next science project or school assignment.